Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your headphones Motorola Vervebuds 800. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on, and now we should be connected. Here we go, but if it didn't help you, we should make a soft reset. So, put your headphones to the charging case and now close the case. Right here we should have not connected. And after that, open it again. Here we go. Maybe it helped you, but if it doesn't, I recommend it to remove and add the headphones. So, click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device. Forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device. And now we should see it as the device list. Click on it. Cool. And maybe it helped you. But if all of these methods didn't help you, we should make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, firstly, put your headphones to the charging case and they should be turned on and connected. Now we should turn off it. So, press and hold this both multifunctional button until this LED light starts to be red. Here we go. Now release your finger, and after that press and hold it again until this LED light starts flashing purple. Here we go, we have a purple. Now click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device. Forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device. And now we should see it at the device list. Click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!